of those sticker bushes there. Oh yeah. Look for poison oak or anything. Bees nests. Look for my horseshoe that I dropped out of my bag somewhere around here. I got a half a horseshoe and it fell through my holes in my bag. I got a small horseshoe. I've gotten several of them today. But, yeah. This one could be another horseshoe right here. Half a horseshoe or something. That's mainly what I've got in this area today, is just horseshoes. A lot of nails over here too. A lot of square nails. It was sounding really good, I'm telling you. It was sounding really good right there. Is it a nickel? Why was it reading the 20s like that? That's crazy. Hmm. 1960s probably. Kind of looks like it. 1963. 1963 nickel!
Oh, nice.
I lost half my horseshoe. I lost that small half the horseshoe that I found over here out of my bag. I think it was reading up high too. I just don't understand that, man. Okay, there's still that other target in there that I'm going to get out. I'm just going to dig it out this way. Yep. It's going to be right in here. It's going to be right in there. I think so. Yep, right in there. I think it's going to be a nail or something. There's just a lot of square nails over here in this area. It wasn't sounding too hot. Ooh, I see a coin ball right there. No. I'm dreaming. Another nail. Another square nail. Ooh, that one's crunchy. Look at that thing. That thing's hideous looking. Okay, I gotta find my horseshoe here. Half a horseshoe that I lost out of my bag. My bag is just done for after just 3 weeks. 3 weeks of digging with my bag. It's just wasted. There's a bunch of holes in the bottom of it. But I do carry a lot of iron in my bag. Gotta go for those iffies today, man. Those gophers been tearing this place up. There's a big vermin hole right on the other side of that nail and that nickel that I just dug up too. Come on, baby, let it be. Sounding good now. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, that sounds killer, man. That sounds killer. Oh, it's gonna be a nail. Yeah, it's gonna be junk. It's doing that. Yeah, it's gonna be a nail or something. What's it gonna be? Oh, what's that? Yeah, some goodies right there. There's some more in there. I don't know what it is. Oh, dude, it's a harmonica reed, man. It's just wasted too. It's just all corroded, man. Wow. I haven't had one like that in a long time. It's been a long time since I had a really wasted harmonica reed like that. Years. It does still have the pins in it, and the reeds. It still has all the short reeds in it. See that? Just a little bit of a reed left on them. Just wasted. Just goner. Sweet. Yes, sirree. Is there harmonica down there? No. Most likely not. those reed guides are disposable. If you guys didn't know that, they're disposable. So the reason why you find a lot of harmonica reeds is because you can get different kinds and put them in, they're like refillable, they're replaceable inside your harmonica. And that's why you find so many of them. You don't find a harmonica with them. I found a couple harmonicas, but they were just wasted. I found a harmonica reed.
We're in a good spot.
Yeah. If I can just find that half horseshoe that I dropped out of my bag, I'll be happy. There's a couple targets there that I'm gonna be digging out here. But I'm gonna go for this one first. Come on, baby. Let it be like a gold ring or something, man. That would be epic.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's 22.
What is it?
Ring.
It's not a finger ring, though. It's not a finger ring, though.
That's
You're scaring me, dude. Those Sam Squanch rings don't count. Ooh, I'm getting a goodie down there. Oh, it sounds really good. Oh, right in the sidewall. That's good, man. It's hitting really hard too. It's got to be right in here. It doesn't look like it though. No. It's right in here. Oh, it's a buckle, man. I got a buckle, dude. Oh, yes, sirree. Oh, yeah.
Step up over there.
I got a beautiful buckle, man.
I'll be right here.
Oh, yes. Oh, this is what dreams are made of, this area right here. This is what I'm talking about, man. Dig those ippies. I've been digging ippies all day long because we've dug up a lot of good targets out of here. Pulled up a lot of awesome jewelry, and we're pulling up even more jewelry just by digging the ippies. So that's an awesome, awesome buckle right there, man. Beautiful. Look at that. I just died and gone to heaven with this stuff, man. I'm just freaking out because I'm just getting so many horseshoes today. I got a really small one and two big ones, and then a partial one that I still have to find because it fell out of my bag that has holes in it. But man, oh, look at that beauty. Oh, that's better than sex, man. I'm telling you.
You must be right in the front door of somebody's house.
It probably should have pretty all over it too. Look at that, dude.
Oh, heck yeah, that's almost like the one I got.
Yep.
Just about.
We are tearing it up today, dude.
You are.
Jeez, man.
There's a lot of targets, huh?
Yeah, there's targets everywhere here, man. This is sick.
Totally second fun.
Yep. This is sick, man. We've gotten so much jewelry today. We haven't been back in like 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Because we thought the ground was just gonna be, the grass was gonna be too tall. See, dig those, see that iffy right there? Really scratchy, sounds like a nail. But I'm gonna dig a big hole here. Okay, I'm gonna dig a big hole. Once the iron starts coming out of this ground like this, man, I get really excited, man. I mean, it's so much, way more exciting than getting silver. Getting iron like this, I mean, it's way, way better than silver, man. Any kind of silver, even 1800 silver. This iron that comes out of the ground, it gets me really going, man. This is what I'm into it. Metal teching about, man. This iron stuff. This epic iron. This one's probably gonna be some, I don't know about this one. A little bit of junk right there. Little iron nail, yep. Okay, that one was super iffy anyway, but I'm still gonna smack it because there could be a horseshoe down there. You never know. Yeah, dude. Okay, where's my other horseshoe that I dropped up here, man? I gotta find that sucker. I've been digging horseshoes all over the place out here. It's just crazy, man. It's gotta be over here somewhere. Dude, I need to get a new bag, man. Just 3 weeks, man. My bag just disintegrated on me. Oh, I think it's right there. I think my horseshoe is right there. No, it's not right there. It would be overloading if it was a horseshoe, though. If it was a horseshoe on the surface. But I'm really liking this one. Sounds like a nail. Maybe some foil. There isn't much foil up here, though. That's the whole thing right there. A little bit of iron. Oh yeah, look at that. Mm-hmm. Beautiful stuff. Come on, where's that horseshoe at, man? I dropped it out of my bag. I don't even know where I went up here. I've used everywhere over here today. I really gotta watch out for poison oak. So I gotta keep an eye out for bees too. Bees nests. And branches. Yeah, baby. Yeah, something right on the surface here. Give me some jewelry. I'm gonna dig a medium-sized plug here. Not a very big plug. It's probably in the bottom plug right there. I don't know what's going on. It probably fell down the hole. That's why it's probably doing that. Nope. Gotta be right on the surface here. Just kill me now. Jeez. Get it over with. Oh, right there, baby. It's in the sidewall right there. It's gotta be right in here, man. Right in there. Expose it here a little bit here. Yeah.
I was wondering where you're at.
I'm in hell right now with my pinpointers. These pinpointers from Whites are just not performing for me, dude. I'm just having a lot of problems with them the last few weeks, man.
With what?
My brand new pinpointer.
Oh, yeah. You're supposed to. That's how they sell so many of them.
Yeah, I think they're made in China now. I don't know. I'm just not liking their pinpointers now. But I still have 2 brand new ones in the box. So I'll just use those for now and see if I can get some of their old stock. Because the older pinpointers that Whites is making was way superior. The pinpointers that I used to have from Whites used to last me a couple years. You know, right there. A little bit of some junk.
Yep, you're getting out of the jungle.
It's part of a buckle right there.
Yep.
A little part of a buckle, dude.
I don't like jungle hunting.
I don't mind it.
I know you don't. A lot of stuff in here.
No, I don't think that's part of a buckle. Some part of a clip or something. But yeah, man. Gotta dig those iffies up, man.